here. We ain't going nowhere. We're moving right next door to you. There goes the neighborhood. There goes the neighborhood.
And here is the finished skeleton. Well, going to be the skeleton head for my pumpkin skeleton. Use some walnut stain gel, rubbed it, keep it in the crevices. Some burnt umber paint for the eyes, nose, and the mouth. The adjusted mouth to make it scarier, made some of the stain gel run down from the mouth. Updated the stem. I'm going to put some spray varnish on top of that. And that will go on top of this. I'm going to try and figure out how to keep it on the head of my orange skeleton. The skeleton is basically painted with some burnt umber, doing the usual skeleton aging, but then I decided to do a wash of some pumpkin orange. And it looks pretty good. Slight orangish brown. This guy's eyes light up at night red. The goal, my ultimate goal is to have it like this, with his eyes on at night. Let's take him in the yard. He'll look kind of creepy. So that's it for my pumpkin skeleton.
There goes the neighborhood. There goes the neighborhood. There goes the neighborhood.
And here it is. I think the final finished pumpkin skeleton. I don't know, I've never seen anybody do one of these. If you have, please comment below, send me a link to it. I'd like to see it, see what yours looks like. Just came up with the idea, talked with my girls, and they're like, oh, that sounds pretty cool, Dad. So, and the skeleton, like I said, light orange. And here, the creepy pumpkin. I altered the mouth. That skeleton's mouth stays open, as you can see. Aged the pumpkin a bit, and then found a way to connect it with some wire. I put 2 slots like that on each side, doubled so it doesn't rip the one. Distribute the weight of the pull of the wire, and then that's just temporary. I'll wrap it around his neck there, so when it's windy come Halloween it won't blow off. Pretty happy with it. Let me know what you think. Like, comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't. If you have any questions, comments, hit me up. Thanks for watching. See ya.